What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with this 1/10 scale RC land vehicle called the Adventurer, and I got this off Amazon from a seller called Exercise and Play. And I usually grab my little land vehicles from them because they have fully ready to run vehicles. All of them usually come with batteries for the remote. And so I just thought that was pretty awesome that they allow for you to grab an RC vehicle and immediately just pop all of the batteries in and just run them. You might have to charge the batteries that come inside the car, but usually I don't. They recommend that you do, but usually I run them before I charge up the battery. But these batteries are charged. They always give you 2 batteries for the car as well. So pretty awesome deals that they be having. Exercise and Play for these little land vehicles here. And hopefully this is an awesome RC. I was very happy with the other ones that I had, but this one is a 1/10 scale. The other ones were smaller that I got from them. And so we're gonna run this guy. This is the transmitter here. Same transmitter as all the rest of them. Pistol grip style transmitter, proportional everything. And it has little dials there for everything you need. You can reverse everything. You can reverse the throttle. You can reverse the steering. It has steering trim, throttle trim. It has the steering rate. So pretty awesome. All of the options that they give you with this transmitter here. Oh, one thing I did notice that this one has no lights though. So this is the first one that I got that doesn't have any lights. Usually they have some sort of lighting, but I think there is a spot inside where you can put the lights. But let's pop it open anyway and check. I don't remember. I never ran this. So this is going to be the maiden run. My first time running it. Just pops off like this. So we have a Dean's connector here. I connected it. It usually comes unconnected, but I connected it. And this is the on and off switch here. Looks like we have a 540 or 560 size motor here. I think it is. I'll have the correction on screen if I got it wrong. And this battery is a 1700 milliamp hour 2S LiPo. So, and we have the Dean's plug on it again. Oh, and this one has these oil filled shocks. So oil filled shocks on this one. Fully hobby grade. It has all metal parts, metal bearings and all. You can see the dog bones are metal and everything. So let's get this guy running. I'm anxious to run it and see how it runs. Oh, here we had this wheel wasn't connected, and this light bar up top wasn't connected. Even though you don't have any lights in here, they do give you the option to get your own lights. I guess you can buy your own lights and put them inside here. Once you install the lights, then you just run the connector down to this receiver here, and we have 2 spots open for powering some lights. So, oh, and like I was saying, the wheel it was off. You had to connect the wheel via a body pin, and the light bar also connects with 2 body pins. You guys can see that right there with my fingers pointing. So let's get this thing running. There we go. Running. So far it's pretty responsive and all. So that's top speed right there. Not bad. And I'm trying to see if it'll turn over on me, and it's not. I'm going full speed and turning, and it's not flipping over on me. pretty awesome. With these rock racers, a lot of these companies make these rock racers and they flip over all the time. And so that's what I'm testing here, and this thing isn't flipping over. I kind of stuck with this company off Amazon for buying my land vehicles because I was really surprised by how they supply you with the AA batteries for the transmitter. You don't have to go looking for AA batteries. You can just pop them in and start running it. And so because of that reason, I just stuck with them, and I'm happy I did. This thing runs pretty nice. Try out the brakes. Let's bring it back over here. Okay. So the brakes are nice. I'm impressed with it. This guy doesn't flip over, doesn't pull to one side like the WLToys one does. It's got a decent speed. Let's get this guy over here to the grass. I know it's not going to make it up the grass right there. We got some litter bugs over here. That grass is kind of tall, so maybe we'll skip the grass. And we'll go to the rocks over here. It is a rock racer, after all. And it's running nice on the rocks. Oh, whoa! Tripped it up there. Climbed over that scraggle this time. Wow. So this thing runs really nice over the rocks and all. Oh yeah. This thing is awesome out here. Now I will imagine that you would want to check up on these nuts here that keep the tires on, that keep the wheels on, but I'm just going to run it and see if the wheel flies off. A wheel flies off. So far this thing is running awesome. So far it's running really nice. Check it out. Man, it's making easy work of these rocks and the scrabble. Oh, every once in a while I make a hard turn on these rocks, of course. Man, I'm loving it. Check it out. Hard turn. Oh, can we get back on? Try to get back on all fours there. Now these things have a really long run time, so I'm not going to try to bore you guys with a 25-minute long video or anything, but the verdict is already in with this one. You guys can see this one is a winner here. So this is the Adventurer. Got this off Amazon. Again, the seller is Exercise and Play, 1/10 scale. Thanks for watching.